Today I'm going to show you how to replace the third brake light on any newer Skoda vehicle. First, open the boot and remove the small screw located at the handle. Then, use a plastic pry tool to carefully remove the inner panel from the boot lid. It might take a bit of force, but just be patient. The clips should eventually release. Make sure to get all the inner clips as well, then remove the large plastic panel completely. Next, locate and remove the two screws holding the smaller trim piece around the rear window. There's one on each side. Again, use your pry tool to remove that smaller plastic piece. After that, remove the 5-10mm nuts along the back edge of the boot. Also remove the two screws on either side, and then the 4 center screws shown here. At this point, the rear wing should be loose and ready to come off. But be careful. Remember to disconnect the wires and the washer fluid hose for the rear wiper. Gently pull on each side of the wing and lift it upwards to remove it. You'll now see 4 screws holding the third brake light in place. Remove these and disconnect the wiring plug. Connect the new brake light and screw it back into place. The screws can be tricky. A handy tip is to use a piece of tape on your screwdriver to hold the screw in position as you reinstall it. Now just reassemble everything in reverse order. Thread the wires and washer hose through the hole at the top of the boot. Gently tap the wing into place to secure the clips. Reconnect the light and washer hose. Test the brake light before putting everything back together. Then reinstall the 5-10mm nuts, the 4 center screws, and the 2 side screws. Now fit the small plastic trim around the rear window and secure it with its 2 screws. Finally, clip the large plastic panel back into place, making sure all clips are aligned properly, and put the small screw back at the boot handle. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the third brake light on your Skoda.